Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Decentraland. Decentraland has gone up by 12.9% over the last 1 month, but on a yearly time frame, it's still down 47.2%. We're starting to see a lot of signs of life in the altcoin market. A lot of altcoins are starting to have double-digit gains across the board. How long will it take Decentraland Mana to join the party? How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we finally going to go below that $0.28 level, or are we set for our moon mission? We'll take a look at the Decentraland Mana US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll also look at Mana's performance against Bitcoin. We'll take a look at Mana's market cap. It's currently sitting at the $678 million level. We've seen the market cap drop to as low as $512 million. How high can we go before the end of the year? How high will Mana go if we get to see that long-awaited alt season? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. With Bitcoin pumping to higher prices, with Bitcoin touching as high as $35,000, there's excitement in the cryptocurrency market. Greed has returned back to the altcoin market. We're quietly waiting for altcoins to start pumping to higher prices. We're quietly waiting for that first alt season to happen in 2023. We're yet to see a nice time for the altcoin market in 2023. We're currently in Bitcoin month. We're currently in Bitcoin season. So how high do we expect Mana to go in the forthcoming alt season? We talked about key levels in the previous video. The $0.8 level is one of the key levels we're watching out for. But the last 1 week has seen Mana not being able to rally above the $0.4 level. So are we going to catch up to other altcoins? Will Mana not pump to higher prices before the end of the year? I'm here to tell you guys that when we see Bitcoin finish pumping, guys, when we see alt season approaching, you want to see Bitcoin outperforming the altcoin market, which is good to see. Right now, Bitcoin over the last 1 month has gone up by 24.5%. Majority of altcoins in the top 50 have been having nice months, but they have not been performing as good as Bitcoin. For the Decentraland Mana, the last 1 month has seen it gain 12.7%. Over the next 30 days, over the next 60 days before the end of the year, I'll not be shocked to see these altcoins overtake Bitcoin and start outperforming Bitcoin. If 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, will officially be in an alt season. Now let's take a look at some details about Decentraland Mana, which trades around the $0.35 level. The market cap of $672 million, a 24-hour trading volume sitting at $68 million. Mana has a circulating supply of 1.8 billion tokens, a total supply of 2.1 billion tokens, fully diluted market cap sitting at $779 million. Mana all-time high happened on the 25th of November 2021. That was 2 years ago. It was trading for as high as $5.9 and we're down 93.66% from that all-time highs. The all-time lows happened on the 13th of October 2017 and that all-time low was $0.0078. We're up 4,600% from that all-time low. Where you can get some Decentraland Mana, you can get some Mana on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Kraken, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. And why are investors accumulating more, expecting big pumps to the upside? It's because Decentraland Mana defines itself as a virtual reality platform powered by Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create experience, monetize content and application. In this virtual world, users purchase plots of land they can later navigate, build upon, and monetize. Now, we expect Mana to rally above the $0.8 level before the end of the year. If we're very lucky, the market is very bullish. We touch that $1.5 level. For us to rally to that $1.5 level, we will need to pump by around 332% from where we're currently trading. And that will mean from the bottom, where we got to in this bear market, Mana would have gone up around 480%, which is not outrageous, guys. We've seen Mana have way crazier pumps in the past. Take a look at the first pump Mana had in 2018. Mana had a wonderful 3,600% pump in about 70 days. Well, knowing how volatile altcoins can be, we give back those gains to the market. We saw Mana dumping by 93+%. But as usual, these altcoins can have huge jumps to Goblin Town. At the same time, they can have big pumps to the moon. That's exactly what we saw with Mana in the previous bull run, where it rallied up by more than 400x. $1,000 invested in Mana in the previous bull market would have returned around $400,000 if you're smart enough to sell at the top. So right now, we're expecting a pump to the upside. I don't think we'll get to new all-time highs. If we get to new all-time highs, that will be very wonderful. But my best case scenario, guys, I expect to see Mana going to a huge retracement. Key levels to watch out for: the $0.8 level, the $1.5 level, and if the market gets hyper bullish, we see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, and it's alt season, and we're going to the moon, and everybody's YOLOing. That $3 level is where I will sell out. That $3 level is where I will stop believing the story. The $3 level is where I'm sure a lot of market participants will want to sell out, because if you bought the bottom at $0.28 and you get to that $3 level, Mana would have gone up by around 1,000%. A 10x pump is something you want to protect. Remember, guys, you're here to make money. You want to buy low and you want to sell high. But how is Mana performing against Bitcoin? Bitcoin has been having a great time since the turn of the year. Bitcoin is up 60+% in 2023. Mana has not been having a great time against Bitcoin. Guys, Mana has been dumping to gobbling time against Bitcoin. But that's what you expect in a bear market. All coins lose value drastically against Bitcoin in the bear market. You see them losing value and dumping to gobbling time while Bitcoin is pumping. It's because in a bear market, a lot of market participants are still scared. They run towards safety. Safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin, is Ethereum, and it's the US dollar. So a lot of altcoins lose value against Bitcoin. They lose value against Ethereum. They also lose value against the US dollar in a bear market. But reverse happens when we're in a bull market. Reverse happens when the market is bullish. Reverse happens when we're waiting for alt season. We see those altcoins pumping to higher prices, outperforming Bitcoin. How high do you expect to see Mana outperform Bitcoin over the next few days? I'll not be shocked to see a 500, maybe a 600% pump against Bitcoin before the end of the year. Now, taking a look at Mana's market cap, luckily for us, we found support around the $500 million level. The key levels we'll be watching out for: the $1.5 billion region. I'm not going to be shocked to see Mana's market cap rally above the $1 billion before the end of the year. That $1 billion level is going to be very important, but I believe we'll blast above the $1 billion level very easily. We might find some difficulties around the $1.5 billion level, but as high I think Mana can go before the end of the year, the highest I think we'll get to if we see that long-awaited alt season. If we see altcoins going crazy, if we see hyper bullishness in the market, we might easily rally to the $5.5 billion region. That can see us go up around 700% from where we're currently trading. So alt season is around the corner. Altcoins are ready to get sent, pumping to higher prices. Mana, which trades around the $0.35, is aiming to pump to as high as the $3 level. Do you think that's possible? Do you think we're going to see it happen before the end of the year? Guys, put thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.